Hi, this is Janet, and I just wanted to walk you through my before and after the Data Engineering Academy. I come from a healthcare and analytics background, and I was trying to figure out how to position myself more competitively in the data industry, specifically for data engineering and cloud technology. At the time, one of my biggest challenges was not only learning about the technical skills, but understanding how to apply them in real world scenarios. I also wanted a more direction, structure, and confidence in how to present myself and my experience professionally. What made me choose Data Engineering Academy was how practical and career focused the program was. It wasn't just theory, it focused on real projects, real interview preparations, resume building, and understanding what companies are actually looking for in the market. One of the biggest impacts for me was the coaching and the support system throughout the program. The mock interviews, resume feedback, project guidance, and communication coaching really helped me improve not only technically but also professionally. The program helped me become more confident in explaining my work, structuring my answers, and connecting technical skills to business impact, which made a huge difference during interviews. Since completing the program, I have received and accepted an offer for a Junior Financial Data Analyst role in a healthcare company with working with operational and financial data, reporting, dashboards, and analytics to support decision making. For me, this is a very important role because it combines healthcare analytics and business operations, while also positioning me for future growth into more senior analytics, data engineering, and AI focused roles. I would absolutely recommend Data Engineering Academy to people who are serious about transitioning into data careers or leveling up in their current skills in a structured and practical way. Especially for people who may feel overwhelmed, trying to learn everything on their own. The Academy gives you directions, support, accountability, and real world preparation that goes beyond just technical training.